Welcome family. This video is basically for the guys, or maybe for the girls who don't know how to really cook. I'm just showing you the type of thing I eat when the wifey ain't here to cook for me. Just something very quick, okay? I'm using Soba today, what you would know as probably in the Western world spaghetti, okay? So I cook the Soba for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, just like spaghetti, but it's natural. It's not made of flour. Okay, it's natural, plant-based. Okay, put the pot on. Put some olive oil. Not too much, like a stir fry. Okay. Now what I'm using is I got some mushroom. Got some bitter melon, depending on how many people you're gonna feed. Got some garlic and ginger, and some onions. Regarding the garlic, make sure you crush the garlic up to release the enzyme at least 5 minutes before you add it to your dish. I've got some lotus root, which I'll dice up quickly. That's it. I've got some okra, as you can see. I've got a few leaves of kale. I've got a leaf of let me just cut this off. Milk thistle. See? Milk thistle, and a few leaves of rocket. There's a name for another word for a name for rocket, but I can't bring it up right now. Okay, let's go. So let's turn on the fire, okay? And a bit of lemon, okay? You need a bit of lemon as well. So let's get the pot going. Let's warm it up a bit. I think I'll better put this camera a bit higher so you can see. Okay. So we've got the pot going. You can hear it. It's warm now. Okay, here goes. Put the diced onions, the diced garlic and ginger, and the diced bitter melon, and the mushroom. You can dice up them as small as you want. It doesn't really matter. Okay. For the lotus root, put it in, and the okra. Probably need a bit more oil. Put a little bit more virgin oil. Okay, we don't want to fry it to cook it. And just chop up the lotus. Okay. Here it's popping. I think I'm going to turn this down a bit. Alright. Don't need to stir this. Stir it up. Then add in the milk thistle. Something that can be done within 15-20 minutes. depending on your preparation, like I said, but you're consistent, it's not a problem. Just dice up the rocket. All these products apart from the mushroom and the mushroom, sorry, wasn't grown in my garden, but everything else was. And the ginger. Mushroom and ginger are the only two things I purchased from the shop. Everything else was grown in my garden. If you've been watching my video. Put a bit of turmeric. As much as you want. That's your taste. The cayenne pepper. As much as you want as well. Place the sardines. Okay. Place the sardine as much as you want sardine. Okay. Squeeze the lemon. A bit of sea salt. And your required taste. And just stir it up. We're going 10 minutes now, it's even that. Okay. Like I say, you don't want to overcook anything, because then you'll just be killing all the health benefits, the nutrients, the minerals. Okay. Now this is what it looked like. You can see. Okay, so nothing in here is overcooked. Okay. Nothing in there is overcooked. And then what I do is I generally add a bit of fenugreek. Fenugreek is dried. It's similar to basically, well, it looks like thyme. It's very strong. Add a bit of fenugreek leaf. I could use coconut oil as well, if you have it available. And you then add in the soba, or what you would probably have in your country, spaghetti, and then some plum tomato. Add in the plum tomato. That's it. Just stir it around.